Hi everyone, look at your phone, your laptop, even your router. Inside all of them, there is green PCB. It's everywhere, but have you ever stopped to ask why green, not red, not white, but green? Let's uncover this secret today. Firstly, green PCB ink has the most mature technology in the industry. It has been used for decades, so manufacturers have mastered production process perfectly. It also makes it much cheaper than special colors like black or purple, so both factories and consumers can cut costs. Secondly, green is great for optical recognition. In PCB production, AOI machines are used to check for errors. Green solder mask has a perfect contrast with copper chassis, so machines can quickly identify defects, ensuring high production efficiency and fewer mistakes. Thirdly, green is super gentle for human eyes, reducing fatigue during long-time inspections. They can easily spot scratches, missing solder, or wrong connections on green PCBs. While dark colors hidden flaws, light color get dirty fast, but green keeps everything clear. Finally, green solder mask has excellent performance and environmental benefits. It's heat-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and protects the PCB from damage. What's more, most green ink is non-toxic and easy to recycle, meeting modern environmental standards. Now it's your turn. Have you ever seen a PCB that is not green? What color is it? Leave a comment to share your findings. And if you want to learn more about PCB, let me know below. I will share with you next time. Bye bye.